In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Font Awesome Icons version 6 to Webflow. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your website by using a wide range of icons from the Font Awesome library. So let's dive in. To begin, head over to the Webflow website where you'll be creating your site. Click on the It's Free button to get started. You can either create an account with your email and a unique password, or use your Google account for a quicker sign-up process. With your Webflow account set up, the next step is to download the Font Awesome package. Navigate to the Font Awesome website, look for the download section, and click on the section for Font Awesome 6. When you find the option to download for free for web, go ahead and click on it. Once the package has finished downloading, take a moment to extract the files to a safe and accessible location on your computer. Returning now to Font Awesome's website, browse through the icons and select the ones that best fit your design needs. When you've chosen an icon, simply click on it and then choose Copy Glyph. This copies the icon's graphic code, which you'll need to integrate it into your Webflow design. Now switch back to Webflow, use the shortcut command either Control or Command+E to access the search bar. From there, type in heading and click on it. This action allows you to paste the glyph code that you copied earlier. Once you've pasted your glyph, you might notice only a placeholder box showing instead of your chosen icon. This indicates the need to upload the Font Awesome font files you downloaded earlier. So navigate to the area where you can upload custom font files in Webflow and select the location of your extracted Font Awesome files. After uploading, click Upload to complete this process. With your Font Awesome fonts uploaded, now is the time to style your text, including replacing any test headings with your copied glyphs. Use the style selector in Webflow to customize the appearance according to your personal preference. Find the Fade icon and ensure it reflects the font and size you desire. You can make further adjustments by clicking on the settings. Change aspects like primary color to match your site's theme, or add any other stylings you find necessary. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click on Publish. Finally, select Publish to selected domains to make your changes live on your website, and there you have it, you've successfully integrated Font Awesome icons into your Webflow website. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials. See you next time.